This video will demonstrate how to install Mozilla Firefox web browser. Now, the last video we installed Google Chrome, so we're going to go ahead and just demonstrate. This process is similar, but there are a couple of things that are different. And then from your Google Chrome, you can just type in, well, actually, we've got a Google tab. We can go to Google and type in Firefox, download, and just be sure that you go to Mozilla's website, mozilla.org. If you look down here, like this download Mozilla Firefox is actually going to a softonic.com website. They try to trick you by putting Mozilla in front, but just be sure and you go to the actual site. There's a possibility you could get malware or virus from the other one. And we'll just click on that, and the next screen you'll have your free download. And it's going to launch. It's going to download it real quick and launch a little program. The pop-up window, make sure you know your publisher is Mozilla. You want to run that. Again, you want to run this. Since we made Chrome our default, we're going to click not to make that. And if you go to options, you can actually tell it what shortcuts you want, things like that. So we're going to do the install, which is similar time frame. It takes about 30 seconds to install Firefox, depending on your network speed to download the program. And once the install is finished, then it's going to bring you back up to the correct page. Now let's go ahead and here's one of the things that is different is if you want to make this, actually if the install is finished, we're going to close out this web browser or Chrome, and we're going to, now if you notice the Chrome, it puts a shortcut at the bottom. Well, Firefox, it doesn't do that, but you can just simply drag your icon down and it'll say pin to taskbar and release. Drag with the left mouse button and release. And go ahead and launch your Firefox. And it's got the Green River again. If you want additional, you can do very similar. Let's just say we want to add Google as well, and then you can just go into, now before in Chrome it's settings, but in Firefox it's options, and go into options, and again it's got your home page here. But if you want to add, you can tell it to use current pages. Now, what you have to be careful of is the options is considered a page too. So we've added Google and options. So at the very end, if you backspace over until you just get to google.com, and there's no save button or OK button. Once you just click off of it, it's done. So if you close it out, let's close our tabs. Now, if we relaunch Firefox, you notice it's launching the two tabs that we have, but it's not launching our options tab. And that's a quick video on how to install Firefox.